So we've got lots of different items now available in our HTML page. So we've got titles, we've got pictures, we've got links, we've got videos, we've got numbered lists, we've got paragraphs. What we need to do now is look at how we can combine these things. So for example, if I want to make this list here a link, all I need to do is come inside the list item. You can see the first word is the same here and here, and I can add in a link to make it an anchor. I'm going to add in an href to tell it where to go. So let's have http google.co.uk, why not, like that, and then I close the link before I close the link item. We've always got to do one thing nested inside another, and then I save it, and then over here when I refresh the page you can see that this is now a link. So you can make a list of links. One thing which I haven't shown you how to do yet is to make a table. Tables are probably the most complicated thing we have to do, but they're not too bad as long as we lay them out sensibly. So first of all, we have to use the table element, hopefully spelling it with a T, to tell the browser, the web browser like Chrome, that we want to make a table. Now a table is made up of rows, and the element name for this is tr. So I'm going to open a table row, close a table row, open a table row, close a table row, open a table row, and close the table row. Now we've got two things in the table that we can have in each row. We can either have headings or we can have data. So a table heading is the th tag, and I'm just going to put in a, close th, and then I'm going to put another table heading right next to it, just like that. Now down below, let's put something in there, B. Down below, what I want to do is in the next table row here, I'm going to put in table data 1, and then another one, now this is where copy and paste will be your friend. So rather than typing out these codes all the time, you can just come down into here, put in the codes, and I'm going to change that to be P and Q. So I save it, switch, and then reload it, and you can see it's put in a little table, and you can see when you drag over it like that, we can set the borders and things later, that actually it's put it into separate table cells. So we've got a table data and all of the other things we've put in, and this is pretty much everything that will go into a web page. If I go back to the school web page, and I'm just going to widen this out for a moment, and I take off all of the styling, because it does lots of flashy things, this website. So I'm going to disable all of the styles. You can see that the school website is made up of lists, links, images. This is a thing called a form, you can look those up, and it's also got down at the bottom lists of links and images, and a few more images in here. We know how to do pretty much all of this. The only thing that we're missing perhaps is the forms, but we might look at that later. Thanks for watching. You're now equipped to write a fully functional HTML page.